Okay, so Dylan, I was going to show you if you go to msun.edu, just to the home page, and then go to current students up here. Go to this page, and then we go down here to technical services. I think if you go Office 365 here, um, this kind of explains how you can get Word. So Word is in here, Excel, PowerPoint. I don't know what this is. Not sure. This is Outlook, I think. But so you can get, all students can get free Microsoft 365 off access. So so you can install up to Office on up to 5 devices. So here's the download instructions. Um, Basic instructions are here. So click on that, and then you use your net ID in the email or phone box. Same username and password you use to log in into computers on campus, and Brightspace, the same login that you would use. So this is for Windows machines, and then this is for like an Apple machine. So it kind of just depends what type of device you have. I use it, and if I go here, I can just click right here, and then I can put all my stuff in here, and I have all my Word documents and everything in here. So anyways, I'm going to email you the Word document, and then you can fill it in. For this one assignment, it's actually for, let's see, where is it at? It's an art critique worksheet, and you're going to have to fill this in twice. I might have given you this as a paper sheet, but since we're all online now, but basically just find a piece of art that you like and do an art critique on it. What's the artist's name, title? So just fill this in. What elements are being used? Don't just list the elements that are being used in the piece. And you need to tell me what the piece is too, which you will up here, I guess, but don't just list items. Tell me the element, like so one of the elements is color. So the color is red, or this part of the piece is red, and that kind of thing. Be more descriptive about it. Don't just list line, shape, mass, space, like tell me where you're finding the elements that you're talking about. Same with the principles. Try to be a little bit more descriptive. Don't just list things. Say I see a diagonal force in the shape of the arms of this piece, the sculpture, or whatever you end up doing it on, but just make sure that you're kind of being a little bit more specific about the elements and the principles. I was having people just literally list things and not explain where they're seeing it in the piece. So there's no right or wrong here. It's just it's just about putting effort forth. So anyways, I will send you this as a Word document, and then hopefully you can go to the MSUN website and download that and be able to fill it in, and then fill it in twice, because I want you to do it twice for 2 different pieces of work, because that's what I had the rest of the class do. So do 2 different pieces of work. It can be whatever you choose, I guess. Just put a little effort in and fill it out, and you'll get the grade. Okay, well, hopefully you're staying healthy, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon. Look forward to seeing your work. Okay, bye.